Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup. We actually have two different brands to talk about today. And if you guys can see from the title below, we are going to be having a palette battle. We're gonna have a palette battle today, and as well, we're going to be talking about the Fenty Beauty. This is her new lip plumping gloss and hot cherry. So we're gonna be talking about all of these new goodies today. But before I jump all the way into it, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, don't forget to leave a comment below. And guys, again, don't forget, 1 month only, go to Dossier, get a new fragrance if you like. Again, like I said before, start at the bottom tier or the top tier if you want. Get 10% off for 1 month. Use my code Danielle10. And also, I will be having a link below that you guys can click to that and connect right to it. And guys, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So let's get on into these newbies. So BH Cosmetics came out with some new travel set palettes. I am very, very excited for these. So they came out with Petty and Puerto Rico. I'm excited because I love their travel series, guys. I have pretty much every single palette from them, besides the London one. Took it away before I could grab it. Of course, like before, these are 16 color pan palettes. Paris, look at that, I like it. So it has kind of like the sunset in Paris and Paris. They even have the tower in the back, yeah. So cute. The back of this, it says, fall in love with passion in Paris. A high fashion vegan mix of romantic deep berries and cool tone hues with a powerful payoff. Light up every eye look in your itinerary with twinkling shimmer and buttery matte finishes that will stay put from your morning croissant to your evening glass of wine. Dang, it was like, you drinking wine when you put this on? Okay. When you open this up, it does have passion and patty. It's very, very cute. And then we do have all the gorgeous colors. Yes. A very much cool tone looking palette. Next is the Puerto Rico palette. So the cover of this is very, very cute. I believe this looks like the towns, like the different houses in Puerto Rico. It's very, very pretty. I think it's very bright and vibrant. I like it. On the back of this one, it says, live your best life with Party in Puerto Rico. This vegan array of vibrant oranges, pinks, plus smoky hints of intense pigmentation payoff can keep up with beach and rainforest hopping, wild nightlife, and everything in between. All right, they said this for the night, day, traveling, everything. Cute. So when you open her up, she has dancers. So it says Puerto Rico right there, Party in Puerto Rico. They have all the women dancers right there. So pretty. Dresses are really pretty. Then they have all these gorgeous colors. So this is a nice little warm tone palette. So they're giving us a warm and cool tone kind of palette. So I like that. I like this kind of vibe with these. I love the travel sets. They always give me what I need. I always get like a little piece of that country. But I just want to talk about the different pictures and the different vibes. So cute. Last but not least is the Fenty Beauty. This is the plumping gloss. So this is the Gloss Bomb Heat, but it is called Hot Cherries. This one, of course, traditional Fenty packaging on the outside. Let's take her out. And I did pick this up from Sephora, guys. So I got BH Cosmetics off the BH Cosmetic website. Then I got this little cutie from Sephora. So this one actually is a little different from the traditional gloss bombs. It does have big old heat written on the front of it. So this is the same gloss bomb. They just got a heat and it's plumper, y'all. Beautiful cherry color. I like that. And I like how bright it is too. It's really, really bright. So guys, that is all of the packaging for the new goodies. So guys, this is a palette battle. We're going to have a fight in a battle of seeing which palette is the best. So if you guys want to get either one of these looks and you want to see which one that wins, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed the battle and as well the lip demo, because I love putting on lip gloss. I love it. So let's jump right back into the Paris palette. So with this palette, guys, let me tell you at the back, BH Cosmetics is pigmented as hell. We already know the deal, right? I'm gonna tell you right now, my favorite color is going to be this one right here. They have a lot of the French names in these palettes, y'all, so I don't know how to pronounce them, but Arch de Triomphe. I don't know if I'm saying it right. This kind of purple to gold shift situation with platinum in it. It's so unique and it's just so gorgeous. I ain't gonna lie, I bought the palette just for that shade alone. And then Tuileries, it's that really, really dark green I used at the end of my Paris look. I love those two. Those are my favorite shades out of this Paris palette, period. This palette, I feel like they have a very, very deeper cool tone to it. The shimmers and mattes perform very, very well. I didn't get to use too much of the reds down there. So the whole bottom layer, I didn't even use those. So I don't know how the red performs compared to maybe the Puerto Rico one, because it has more of the reds. So from each 3 top of these rows, I used at least one. I did use the L'Ouvert, this one right here, that nice crystal white pearl color. You already know about the Arch one. I did use the blacker one right here. And I did use the green one, of course. And then I did use this dark blue at the top. The blue one that I used, I wanted her to be a little bit more blendable. I feel like it was a little stiff, a little there, but the green blended out the way I like. So I kind of wish I put the green there instead of the blue and just blended it out, because that one blended out very, very pretty. I still think the Arch one is so, so good. That's such a beautiful color. I did use these 2 mattes right here on the lower inner corner of my eye. I do like those. They're very pigmented. I already know at BH Cosmetics, the lighter it is, even if it's stark white, it's going to show up. It's going to show up on my skin. Even without a white base, I know those light colors will still show up. So it's another reason why I love BH Cosmetics. People that like that nighttime, richer, smoky look to the eyes, like a deep berry vibe, I think you'll like this one. If you like a deep red kind of berry, I think you'll really love this palette, because I'm not gonna lie, that bottom row is very enticing. I didn't even touch it yet. This is very beautiful down here. I know during fall time, this is gonna be popping. I'm going to be grabbing this palette a lot when it's fall time, because I think this whole section right here for me did it. That green, I want to mess with that green some more. It's so good. I don't know why. It's like a evergreen navy. It's weird. It's off, just like that shimmer, that Arch one I love so much. It's just off. I think it's just such a pretty off but very pigmented colors. And I think the blue and purple right here, usually purple, that is my favorite color. But I feel like those were just, I don't know how I feel them together. Those are the 2 oddballs out of the palette for me. But everything else is beautiful. I feel like this palette overall, it did give me a nice smoky nighttime look. This does look very good. Probably people that love cool tone stuff. People that love cool tone, neutral and cool tone, that is. None of this is warm or none of this is too cool, but it is like a neutral cool on the eye. I feel like it did give me overall a very, very pretty smoky fall winterish kind of look. And I would love to use that shimmer just all over my lid, just smeared everywhere. It's just so pretty. But if you guys like anything cool tone, you probably like Paris. All right, y'all. Next is Puerto Rico. These are the colors I love. I love a good yellow. I like a good warm brownie orange situation. I love it. They even have beautiful, beautiful, vibrant, like pinky magenta, electric magenta. It's very, very cute. I do like this eye. Again, this eye is very pleasing to me because this is usually the color scheme I go with anyways. The oranges do look very, very similar, y'all. The oranges look very similar to each other. They have a little bit of a difference, but they're it's like a little step different. You kind of got one, you kind of got them all, in my opinion. The one that shocked me, because I thought, I'm gonna love the yellow, love this. The yellow is very pretty, y'all, but that light shimmer, bright hot pink, and then that bright fuchsia pink, that matte color right here, this one, those 2 are beautiful. Those really packed a punch. I was shocked because I said, I'm gonna love this whole situation right here, but those 2 really got me together. I was like, these are beautiful colors. I would love to just put that on and just blend out and have like a smoky hot pink fuchsia magenta looking eye. Oh, that'd be so pretty. I can't wait to use that. I think the shimmers in this palette did a lot better in my opinion. I feel like those really popped, because even on the top, that shimmer is gorgeous. The bottom is gorgeous. I feel like the shimmers in this palette is really, really good compared to the mattes. Again, are they all pigmented? Yep, ain't no surprise, but it's just something about the shimmers in here that are a little more buttery than usual. I like that they legitly gave these palettes the real names, because I can't pronounce none of it, and I like that. Again, guys, if you do like a warmer tone to the eyes, I think you'll love Puerto Rico. So which one is the winner? Let's see. Overall, Puerto Rico, y'all, to me, she is the winner. This gives me a good solid eye. I can blend out the mattes and shimmers beautifully. I just feel like Puerto Rico really gave me what I was looking for and the vibe of what this palette looks like. I got it, and it was easy to get it. So I feel like Puerto Rico is the winner of this palette battle. Perry was a good contender because I do love those two shades. I don't have no eyeshadow shades like those two in any of my palettes. So it was hard. I was like, tough contender. But Puerto Rico, she is the final winner. So with this plumping gloss bomb, y'all, I don't like lip plumpers. I really don't care. Don't feel like I want or need them. But with this one, I said, ooh, I want to see Fenty. What's her intensity? What's she giving? What is she giving? You know, is she going to tear my lips apart? Is she going to give a little puff, puff, a little zing, zing? What's she going to do? Now, I tried the Too Faced ones. That's just ridiculous. No. This one, she's kind of like on the e.l.f. level because the e.l.f. one surprised me. You guys see my previous video. Those, it was like, woo, it was a lot. Not Too Faced a lot, but enough. This one is kind of in that realm of how e.l.f.'s level is. It has that zing and it does stay and stay and stay. Now, even though I have fuller lips for the most part, my lips did plump up still. Even when I wipe it off, my lips are still plump, plump. And I like that. I do like a nice plump, juicy lip. This does have a sheer kind of color to it. It's not anything compared to our other glosses that do have a straight up color. You can see it. This one has like that little light cherry of a red on your lips, like a little tint. It kind of has the pigmentation of like a lip oil, in my opinion. You can still see some kind of shade of reddy warmness to the lips. Feels like the same formula besides the plumping part. It smells like straight up cinnamon. I believe this does have cinnamon in it. Yeah, oh yeah. It smells like those cinnamon candies you get, those little red ones, the little, they look like tablets, but they like little red hot cinnamon bite little candies. I could not stand those growing up, but this is what it literally smells and feels like. It's like, woo. But I wanted it to have that red. I wanted to see down my lips, and then my lips all nice and big and extra juicy. That's what I want to see. Again, I'm not a lip plumper fan, but so this is one of my higher end lip plumpers that I do own now. And I think she's cute. I was like, you know what, Fenty? I'm gonna let you plump my lips up. You did everything else with my lips. I'm gonna let you plump them up. I do like the smell of the cinnamon though. It almost does seem like it tastes like it's edible, but I wouldn't lick this if I was you because your tongue may be, it's very, very plumping, y'all. So just be prepared for that. And she means it, and the smell of it and everything will remind you that it is plumping and it is working. I just wish it was a little more ready on the lips the way it is in the tube. That's all. Everything else, it's great. It's great. So guys, overall, with all of the new makeup and even the palette battle, I think all these newbies were really, really good actually. I feel like all of them gave me what I was pretty much looking for. A cool tone palette, a warm tone palette, and a nice plumping gloss. And I got it all. If you get any of the travel set series from BH Cosmetics, you're gonna be happy either way. You just gotta find which tone or undertone that you're looking for. I would recommend if you wanna try something from BH Cosmetics and their palettes wise, start with the series. I think you'll really, really like it because then you'll get hooked like me and you'll own almost every single one. So, and guys, with the Fenty Gloss Lip Plumper, I feel like that is very cute. I feel like it is on that level of, like I said, that very high plumping to the lips. Again, I want pigmentation out of it though because all her other gloss bombs give me that. So I think it did do its job, what it says, with a description about it. It did what it had to do. I think all of this was really, really nice. I'm glad. I love trying new makeup. I like trying all different things and seeing if it was good, is it bad. So guys, again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, don't forget to leave a comment below, guys. Let me know which one was your favorite. Which one actually won this battle to you? Was it Puerto Rico or was it Perry? Which one won? So let me know in the comments below. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.